morning. Welcome to my cafe, The Calculus. I am the chef Niharika. Today I am going to present our most selling item, the world's fluffiest pancake. There are 9 ingredients. Let me show them. Flour 300 grams, sugar 60 grams, baking powder 16 grams, baking soda 1 gram, salt 3 grams, milk 450 ml, butter 60 grams, vanilla essence 5 ml and 1 egg. You see, we need mats for proper cooking. The quantity of each ingredient should be correct. If the measurements go wrong, then everything goes wrong. Let's mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Stir it clockwise until the batter becomes smooth. Heat the tawa and pour quarter cup of the batter into it. Cook 2 sides for 1 minute and your fluffy pancake is ready. This is my pancake with math symbols. We can make pancakes in any shape, but it tastes best when it's round. I hope you all will try my recipe. But remember, measurements are very important. Thank you.